هلا رح افتح البوكس تبعي. Backstage Glow Palette, first word, first letter. I think I know what it spells.
Me too. Yeah. I love lip liners. أنا ما أستغني عن lip liners. شوف أنت شلون your swatches. شوف أنا شلون my swatches.
Yeah, because I'm a trained professional. Hi everyone, أنا اليوم بالاستوديو معي ديما.
Hi my love.
واليوم رح نرجيكم اشياء كثير حلوة. جانا 2 boxes من ديور. نفتحهم ونشوف شو فيهم. Okay, 1, 2, go.
Ooh. Wait.
The card.
نشوف.
Mr. Hindash.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Oh, so that's a message we have to decode.
Yeah.
It doesn't say anything, but it says discover the products and decode the message.
I'm gonna open them first.
I have my box home and we'll open them.
Ooh.
I want this.
No.
Can I smell
this actually smells so good. First word letter.
First word, last letter.
Okay, so it's E.
Do E. So we have
E.
E. And our clue.
Okay, there's another fourth message word. First word, fifth letter, and second word, third letter. So it's L.
So we have an L and another L.
So I think we have to put it at the end.
Yeah. هلا رح افتح البوكس تبعي. Yes. Okay. We have the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette, the highlighters. And we have my favorite foundation, the Dior Backstage Face and Body.
It suits me so much. I love it.
It's always in my kit. Let's see the clues. Backstage Glow Palette, first word, first letter. Okay, so put it as a third, B. And then we have last word, second letter.
So it's A?
So A.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I don't. Oh.
I think I know what it spells.
Me too.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah, it's my shade.
Yeah, that's the one. Which color is this?
It's 3N. It's a bit dark, but I like it.
I love it.
It's perfect for summer.
I love the warm olive shades, the WO. So good.
I love it. First message word, second word, second letter, and fourth word, fifth letter.
A, and then
we have fourth word, fifth letter. So it's
so we have an A and a D.
A D. Another box. Ooh.
I love those.
حولت. It's too good.
Second word, fifth letter.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
H.
A. Head.
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 Yes. هلا أنا حفتح تاني box. ف I'm gonna love everything in here anyway. Okay. أنا كمان.
And the contour palette. I love the contour palette.
From Dior Backstage. It's so good.
The colors
I think we're finishing the collection.
I know. Can I open this one please?
Open it.
I love mascara.
You love mascara, I know.
أنا رموشي كلش طوال فكلش أتفنن بالمسكارات.
I love this mascara. And you know, I heard that it was made for makeup artists. You squeeze it من هون.
Oh no way! I didn't know.
تعبي المسكرة
No way!
مسكرة بproduct.
Wow, I didn't know.
That's why it's called pump and volume.
But I didn't know you can.
I'm obsessed with products, so I know all these things.
Okay. Thanks.
Welcome.
I'm gonna keep this one with me here.
Fine, but I'm taking the candle.
Okay, the candle. You can't take the soap.
Cindy, this is a Dior Show Pump and Volume Mascara, waterproof.
Okay. Second word, third letter.
Second word, pump. Third letter, M.
M.
Okay. Last word, second letter. So waterproof, A. بعدين it's the fourth message word for آخر شيء.
آخر شيء, so it's gonna be M.
Small.
Small.
So I think we're going somewhere.
Okay guys, هسه دوري أني أفتح البوكس.
ثالث بوكس.
من هسه أقول لك مالتي وما راح أعطيك إياها.
بس رشي شوي. طب what's the name of this?
ديور. لحظة.
لا والله I'm very good
fresh,
I'm very good with scents, but I don't know how to like. هاي فيها 2 clues. So.
Yeah. Second word.
So this is Green Dior perfume. Second word, first letter, D.
D.
بعدين third word, fifth letter.
Fifth letter. So U. So D-U.
Dubai.
Dubai. Guys.
I told you it's gonna be our favorite
I know.
mall.
I know where we're going.
My third box.
Yes. Ooh.
Lip liners.
My favorite.
Yes.
I love lip liners. أنا ما أستغني عن lip liners. شوف أنت شلون your swatches. شوف أنا شلون my swatches.
Yeah, because I'm a trained professional. No, I'm a painter. That's fine. فكل ما بتحطوه بيطلع اللون اقوى. So the more you layer, the more intense it's gonna get. That's so beautiful.
وتيجي تحس ماركر على your, it feels good.
أيوة perfect.
Wow.
Damn.
Now my turn. The last box, you guys. Wait, is this what I?
It's a body cream. Okay, هلا أنا عندي آخر box.
The last clue. I think I know what's the last clue, but let's just.
Of course, the Dior lipsticks.
Please tell me seven. There's the 999. Do you have the 99 shade? It's the. Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
No, I saw it. Mohammed, I saw it. Where is it? Anyways, I have one, but I just wanted to.
You're grabbing it. It's here.
Okay, now I'm gonna take this one.
Okay.
777.
Let's open them first.
Okay.
هدول الروج ديور Ultra Rouge. هدول جداد. They're the new ones.
I love the shade. It's like light. It goes like light pink and.
I feel like when you tap them on بيصير matte. صح؟
Yeah, look, it's matte now.
Third word, third letter.
T.
T. And then last word, second letter.
Oh.
Oh.
2. Head to Dubai Mall.
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Let's go. يلا.
Let's go. يلا. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing.
Okay, Dima, we're in
Dubai
pretty much in the parking. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna leave my shades here.
Same.
Because no need to get it.